What's up, guys? We are back. Brilliant Stars. It's kind of tragic that you're only allowed to get 5 packs at a time, and Target does not have any booster boxes or elite trainer boxes, or I'm not getting there in time enough to find them. So it's only 5 item limit. These are my 5 for today, and let's see what we can get. Let's see if we can get some of these chase cards. They have a full art Umbreon. They have a rainbow Charizard. I think a Marnie. Let's see what we can do. Let's see. And I think there's no way to tell by the code cards you get, unless I'm mistaken. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, what is that? Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait. Do you guys see that? No. Hope that's not a... What the heck? We'll see. Oh, wow. Okay, we have a Collapse Stadium. Pardon. Magma Base. Magmar. Staryu. Burn Me. Oh, it's this. A Swalk. Looks like it got caught in the closing process. How just one card, though? That's weird. Put that to the side. A Squawk. Cherubi. Burn Me. And a Golurk non-holo rare. Next one. Let's see. Oh, there are different code cards. Has to be. We're going to say it has to be. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Starvia. Gloria. Goodbye. Chubchu. Shinx. Far-fetched. Execute. Oh. Minccino. Reverse holo, and there we go. Bibarel. What's up, Bibarel? Got all that wood? Thought those were blunts for a second. But yeah, so I guess, guys, this is the code card that you want to get versus this one. That's what I'm realizing at this point. And that's a nice holo. It's just a nice little holographic hit. Brilliant Stars. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. But we'll see. Kindler. Ultra Ball. Hitmontop. Minccino. Carablast. Buizel. Lucha. Oh, let's go! There we go! Secret Arcreamy. It's a trainer card. When our creamy is content, I like that. That is a nice hit. Let's go. See if we can get another good hit. Okay. That over there. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at that. We got a special. What is that? I don't know what that is. We're going to wait to see. Okay, Morgrium. Dusclops. Weevil. Chimchar. Minccino. Baltoy. Snout. Nose Pass. You got a Weevil reverse holo, and oh, we got the Arcreamy non-holo this time, followed by a V-Star card. Look at that. Our first V-Star card of the channel. I think this is for when you're actually playing the game. Guys can let me know in the comments if this is worth anything. I think in the game it's a card you can play 1 time per game for the special V-Star characters, but that's a nice hit. Our first hit of the channel. So let's go. And pack number 10. Let's see what we can get out of this last pack of Brilliant Stars. I'm currently waiting for my pre-order packs from GameStop. That today I got an email and they said they wouldn't be here until March 9th. That's so far away. That's so far away. But we got the code card that we want, guys. In the last pack magic. Let's go. Okay, Parachute. Cynthia's Ambition. Cherish Care. Execute. Starly. Shroomish. Piplup. One of my favorite characters. I don't know why. I just like Piplup. Cool as shit. Turtwig. Ooh, Magma. Basin. And last but not least, let's go! Honchkrow V. That is a nice hit. Your favorite so far? Let me know in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. It's the real deals. And we have the Brilliant Stars Elite Trainer Box. In here, you get 8 Brilliant Stars packs. You get some dividers, some coins, some dice, all the regular stuff. But since there's 8 packs and we're keeping track, right now we have officially opened 10 packs. So I'm adding 2 more packs to this video on top of this Elite Trainer box, so we can keep the count pretty easy to keep track of. Instead of leaving it at 18 after this video, it will be at 20 because we will open 10. 8 out of the Elite Trainer box, and we will be using this at some point. Yep. So we can go through all these. We can make some check marks. Wow, look at that. Look at all these cards we can get. These are really cool. These are what we're trying to find mostly. These are the ones. Good luck to us. Put this to the side. That's a nice little book. I like that. These boxes, surprisingly enough, always have really cool artwork on the inside of the cover. I don't know what that's about, but I like it. I like the marketing behind it. Go. This is what we're looking for. I don't think we're going to take all that stuff out. Kind of leave it in there. Leave it right in there. And let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pretty even. You get 2 of each. Look at that. That looks nice. And then we have 2 extra ones right here. Brilliant Stars. Let's go. Let's see what we can get out of these guys. Start right here. Guys, let's see what we can do. See if we can start this off. First pack magic, maybe? Let's see. Brilliant Stars. And I think this is the good code card. Yes. First pack magic. 1, 2, 3 to the back. And let's see. Okay, we have a Grotle, Primplup, Monferno, Corphish, Golett, Chimico, Chimichar, Minccino, Chimichar Reverse Hollow, and let's go! Look at that! We got the Shaman V-Star. That is a nice hit. I like that. I like that. Let's keep it going. Might as well open a Shaman pack since we just got the Shaman. You know, that first pack magic actually worked. Ooh, another good code card. Let's see what we got. Okay. Monferno. Put that over there. Beartic. Figure. Farfetch'd. Execute. Grimer. Sneasel. Bidoof. Ooh, Marnie's Pride. 145 out of 172 in the set. And Flygon. Oh, I think this is kind of messed up, maybe. That was reverse hard, then Flygon. Or maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, that is... Okay, let's just keep it moving. Ooh, right into the Charizard pack. Let's see what we got here. So we keeping count. That was pack 11 and 12, and this is pack 13 total for Brilliant Stars. Ooh. See, I don't understand the code cards. That wasn't a good pack last pack, and we got the same code card. 1, 2, 3, but the one before was great. So we're gonna see. Beartic, your Tropus, Milcery, Craboblast, Clefairy, Cherubi, Sulk. Oh, let's go, Houndoom! And this is a trainer gallery identified by its eerie howls. People a long time ago thought it was the Green Reaper and feared it. Oh, Houndoom. Oh, double hit. Energar Chomp. Holographic. Let's go. That is lit. Okay. Let's get into this. Okay, the code card I think we want to see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got Tropus. Roseanne's backup. Blunder Policy, Snorunt, Clink, Dedenne, Chub Chew, Duskull, oh, Tornadus, Reverse Hollow, and we have a Excalibur, non-hollow, rare. And let's see what we got. So far, Elite Trainer box been pretty decent. Can't complain. Decent pulls. Got that one V-Star. Got another black code. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Gloria. Starvia. Barry. Shinx. Farfetch'd. Execute. Number 1 out of 172 in the set. Got that Grimer, Clefairy, Liepard, Reverse Hollow, and oh, we have a Professor Research holographic card. Look at that. That's a nice little hit. I think these are decent. It's a decent hit, if I do say so myself. We are trying to get the whole set, so at some point we need all these cards, whether we think they're good hits or not. So as long as we get them once, they're always pretty decent hits. That code card, I don't know if it's a good one or bad. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, a V-Star card. Let's go. Bing, bow, bow, bow. Okay. Got Barry, Clang, Torkoal, Piplup, Shroomish, Purloin, Duskull, Sneasel, Alchemy, Reverse Hollow, and Aggron V. Aggron V. Nice hit. 2 more packs left from the ETB, and then we're going to add 2 more just to keep our final total at 23. Here we go. Double Turbo Energy, Grottle, Prinplup, Electabuzz, Chimico, Geibel, Turtwig, Trapinch, Reverse Hollow is Grimer, and Electrive as the non-hollow rare. Last pack magic of the Elite Trainer box. Last pack magic, and it's a Charizard pack. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Okay, we got Clang, Torkoal, Double Turbo Energy, Voltoy, Snorunt, Nosepass, Dedenne, Cubchoo, got the Corpus Reverse Hollow, and last but not least in this is a worm. A damn worm. It's a damn worm. So Brilliant Stars pack number 19 opened on the channel right here. Let's see what we can get. Okay. We got a Claydol, a Tropius, Morgrem, Geibel, Trapinch, Castform, Throth, Shroomish. Ooh. We got that Nose Pass Reverse Hollow and ooh, a Heatran. A Heatran non-hollow reverse. Here we go. Last pack magic. Let's see what we can do. This is the 20th pack of the new Brilliant Stars collection. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what it is. Okay, we got the Hitmontop, Luxio, Choice Belt, Hawlucha, Thor, Magmar, Staryu, Burmy. Oh, we got that Monferno Reverse Hollow and a Drew Digon. A Druddigon. Druddigon, non-hollow rare. And guys, I think our big hits out of this, no doubt, was the Shaman V-Star and then the Houndoom. Guys, let me know in the comments what the best pull so far is. What's up, guys? We are back with the SSBS. I have been going to Target. It's the only place that's been consistent with having the new Brilliant Stars packs, and unfortunately there were no more ETBs left, so I just had to buy some sleeves, and let's see what we have. Let's get right into it. This is going to be pack number 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25 of Brilliant Stars. Got some decent pulls, and I'm actually starting a binder that I will make a video for you guys showing you my binder so far, but I at least want to get like a big hitter in there before I even show you, because right now it's just like, it's kind of lame, but that's to be expected. The set just came out. Don't even know if this is a good or bad code card. I think this is a good one. We're gonna say 1, 2, 3. Okay, Collapse Stadium, Beartic, Sharon's Care, Bidoof, Electabuzz, Lucha, Buzzell, Geibel, oh, Manaphy Reverse Hollow, and oh, we got the Empoleon holographic. That's a decent hit. Can't complain. Enough for a penny sleeve, I guess. Okay. Next pack. Let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. V-Star. Nice. I don't know what that means, if anything, but we will see. Probass, Team Yells here, Friends and Glitter, Piplup, Shroomish, Purloin, Duskull, Sneasel, Execute, and Manaphy non-hollow. So is the V-Star like a hit? Like, is this card like valuable? Like, what the heck? Ooh, Charizard pack. Let's see what we can do. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Grotle, Barry, Gabite, Corpish, Magmar, Spiritomb, Burmy, Impidimp, got the Castform Reverse Hollow, and a Toretta. That's Fast and the Furious, Vin Diesel, Toretta. No, that's a nice hit. Let's go. 2 packs left. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Fracture. Weevil. Frenzen Galar. Piplup. Turtwig. Sneasel. Clink. Spiritomb. Starmie Reverse Hollow, and let's go. Alright, Cool V. Nice hit. And here we go. Last but not least, pack 25. Let's go. Let's see what we can do. 1, 2, 3. Ultra Ball. Credont. Magma Basin. Squawk. Cherubi. Riolu. Starly. Spiritomb. Okay. Mothim. Reverse Hollow, and oh wow. They're just gonna give me the same card? Reverse Hollow, non-hollow? Hey, number 11 in the set. What do you guys think so far about Brilliant Stars? Like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And let me know what you know about the V-Star card. Like what is this? I'm talking about, like, not for playing wise, just for collecting wise. Is it worth anything? Like, if you get a bunch of these, are these worth anything to anybody? Back with another 5. The pull rates, the pull rates that they put online seem to be crazy. So I don't know, but we're gonna see. First pack, we're gonna see if we get some pack magic. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Vibrava, Choice Belt, Floatzel, Clefairy, Bidoof. What up, Bidoof? Electabuzz, Halucha, Buzzell, ooh, Dusclop, Reverse Hollow, and a Drampa V. What's up, Drampa? That's a decent hit, you know. All these cards are a good hit. At least once, you know. When you start getting them too much, that's what it is. So I'm still confused on the code cards, and if it's, see, I don't know. I think this is the bad code card, but I'm not sure. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Beartic, Sharon's Care, Print Plup, Chimchar, Minccino, Baltoy, Snorunt, Nose Pass, Morgrim, Reverse Hollow, and Haxorus. So yeah, I think that's the bad code card. I don't know. How do you guys like the Brilliant Stars? Do you think this is going to be a hard set? How do you feel about it? Trying to 1, 2, 3. Trying to get these Charizards. Maybe Crawdunt, Magma Basin, Hitmontop, Staryu, Burmy, Skulk, Cherubi, Riolu, Pachirsu, and Manaphy. Non-hollow rare. And guys, pack 29. Oh boy. Let's see. Yo! Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Siglify, Pot Helmet. You gotta wear this when you smoking pot. Luxio, Sneasel, Corpish, Magmar, Spiritomb, Burmy, Gibble, Reverse Hollow, and a Clink Clang non-hollow rare. Here we go. Let's see if we can get it. Last pack magic. Throw it up. Parachute, Marnie's Pride, 6-5, Minccino, Baltoy, Snorunt. Nose pass. Oh, let's go! Let's go! Flareon. Oh, trainer card. Yes. And once it has stored up enough heat, this Pokemon's body temperature can reach up to 1700 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's go! And then a Wormadam. Oh, that is a nice hit. Last pack magic. Let's get this in here. Flareon trainer card. I like it. I like it. You love it. We love it. Brilliant Stars. We're doing decent so far, guys. You guys let me know in the comments how you guys are doing. If you like the set, like, comment, subscribe.